Before the rapture,
Luke 17 verse 28. They were drinking, marrying, giving in marriage. Everything was normal, happy-go-lucky. Then all of a sudden, in a twinkling of an eye,
after the rapture,
Luke 13 verse 24. But he that shall endure to the end shall be saved. After the 3.5 years of tribulation, Armageddon rose. That is a physical war, Israel and the nations around, but it will end as a nightmare, a spiritual war between Jesus coming down on earth on a white horse and Lucifer riding a pale horse. Jesus and his armies, Lucifer and his armies. At the end, nobody will survive because all the wicked and the proud will be eradicated when Jesus Christ descends on a white horse.
be ready and avoid this. Shalom.